And in this video lecture series I will give you an idea that how to make a search engine. Okay, suppose I had already made it. Let's see what it does. Suppose I type computer and then click on search. It displays me the output that what is computer. Suppose again I type software and then click on search. It displays me the output that what is software. Again I type like what is operating system. Operating system, and then click on search. It displays the result that what is operating system. If I type in something absurd that which is not in the, and then click on search, it displays me the output not found. In this video lecture series I will try to implement Python program to build this type of software. Okay, so keep watching this video till end. So let's start from the firstly we will import Tkinter library, which is used for a graphical user interface, and then we will use tk instance class, and then root.title search engine. Then we will create a search box. Let's see how we will create. Suppose we want an entry widget, so we will use entry. Then entry widget will lie in the root, that is window. Then bg will give background color of that. Let's say we choose background color as black. Then foreground color fg equals to, foreground color will be white. Then width equals to suppose 30 text units. Then border width, that is bd, will be suppose 20. And font we will choose none 12 bold. Then we will put this on the screen using grid, entry dot grid, and we will put it in row number 0 and column number 0. No, we will choose row number 1 and column number 0. Okay, let's see the output, what we have made. Oh, something is incorrect in it. Let's try to correct it. Oh. See the output. We have made this a search box. Okay, let's implement it. Another thing, let's make a search button. We will use a search button using, we will make a variable search equals to button. Then button will lie in root window, and text that will be displayed on it will be search. Then bg for background color will be, suppose we choose green. Then fg, that is foreground color, we will choose suppose red. Then border width bd equals to, we will choose suppose 5. And font we will choose again none 12 bold, none 12 bold. And let's put it in the root window. How we will put it? Search dot grid row equals to 2 and column equals to 0. Now again run it and see the output. We have made this till now. Okay. Then result box. In the result box, a text box we will make. How we will make it? We will make it by box equals to text widget. We will use text root comma height HEIGST height, and height equals to 15 will give, and width equals to 30. Then foreground color equals to red, and background color equals to black. Then border width we will give by BD equals to 30. Then again font we will choose font equals to none 12 bold. None 12 bold gives the thickness of boldness. Okay, and again we will put it in the root by using grid box dot grid. We will put it in row 3, row equals to 3, and column equals to here we will take column equals to 0. In the 0th column we will take it. Again let's run the output and see. There is an error. I have written board instead of box. Let's again check it. Box and run it. We have made it till now this much. Okay. Now I have already created a dictionary of words that could be used as a database, that from where the search, after clicking the search button it will search. I have used so much words like D equals dictionary, D computer is a key, and this definition of computer is a pair. It is a dictionary which is used in Python, and I had made it. Suppose to extend it more, I type some other letters, like if I type here Pratyush and give Pratyush is what? Pratyush is a software developer. Okay, so now let's define, again check our program. This is our, if I type in anything and click on search, nothing will happen now because I have not defined what the search event will be. Now let's define what will the search event after clicking it. I will define it in, I will define the search event in the search button. I will use a command, that is find command, and I will define that command in this same program only, that what it will do. After clicking the search, the command that will run will be find, and we have not yet defined find. If I then also run it, it will give an error. It gives an error. Okay, so now let's correct it. I will define find, that what the command find will do. Def find. Def find will find will take what will be in entry widget in the variable a. We will take entry dot get and then delete what is present in the text box, that is result box. Box dot delete 0.0 comma 0.0 means 0th line and 0th character, means the first line and first character. The index is starting from 0 there to end. Then we will use a try and except block. It is just like an if else block you have used. In try we will use definition equals to we will use that da d definition equals to we will use dictionary, and in dictionary we will search a. Then again in accept block we will use definition definition equals to try will execute if the word you are searching for will be found in the dictionary, and accept will execute if the word you are searching for will not be found in this list which I have made. Okay, in this dictionary which I have made. And let's try what will display in the if the word you are searching for is not found. The word not found in our database. So let's run it and see the result. Suppose I type computer and then click on search. It's nothing is happening. So let's see what the incorrectness is. Okay, we have not yet put the last line, that is box. We will insert it in box dot insert, and insert what we have fetched in the definition variable. End comma definition. Now let's execute it again. Suppose we type computer and click on search. It displays the output. Computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw facts and figures as input and gives desired output. Suppose again we type software and click on search. It again displays the result, set of programs that instruct the computer hardware to perform a specific task in a specific order, as you all know that. We type operating system and click on search. It displays the output that system operating system is. If we type Pratyush and then click on search, so this is the result. If I type something absurd like this, then it will display the result. The word not found in database. So in this way I have given you an idea that how you can make a search engine. You can expand this dictionary as long as you can, and then suppose I here add more stuffs like I Here's stuff like I type in NILET. What is NILET? NILET is, we know that NILET is, what is NILET? NILET is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. We have added one more item in our dictionary, that NILET is the key and the value is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. If we now again search for in the dictionary that what is NILET and click on search button, it displays the result National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. So you can expand the database as much as you can according to your need and make your own search engine like this. So thank you for watching the video.